forsaking the assembling of ourselves.
Not so good. The brother laughed one day. God said we're not supposed to forsake the assembly, gathering on the Sabbath day, on the new moons. You understand? On the high holy days, Passover coming up. You understand? We're not supposed to forsake these assemblies. Because these are days that was given to us by the Most High to keep. Not only the Sabbath days and the beer alone, everything that is required. So we require us not. How are we going to keep the Passover when we know there is other brothers out there keeping the Passover and you all sit down keeping the Passover? Come on. You understand? If you make a mistake, or you want to make a mistake, come on, I get that on. Iron sharpens iron. Why would you mind to know? Your brother might to know. Okay, look for example. I remember a scripture. I had to call one of the brothers. One of the brothers will remember it. You understand? The way you sharpen gather. You can tell somebody gather and you not gather. That's hypocrisy. Isn't it? Exactly. Christ think about it. You're supposed to do these things. Gather yourself. Read.
Not forsaking the assembling of ourselves together.
Of ourselves. Under what? The banner of Christ. Keeping the commandments. Read.
As the manner of some is.
As the what?
As the manner of some is.
That is those selfish ones. They don't want to teach others. You understand? I know I'm an Israelite. I tell you guys to the rest. You understand? Think as individual or I don't think as a race of people. I don't think collectively anymore. Everybody thinking about me. How something going to benefit me. What the hell was the rest? That is what I was saying. Oppressing our brothers, oppressing our sisters. Just to be what? On top? Preeminence? Stop that. We come here as a race of people. We're not leaving nobody here. We go out as a race of people. Read. Alright. Exodus 20. So do you keep the Sabbath? Do you keep the Sabbath? Huh? So when is the Sabbath? By who? The Most High wants to separate that. Genesis 2 okay, this audience since the beginning. Alright? Get Genesis. Come on. Genesis, read it.
The book of Genesis, chapter 2 and verse 1. Read. Thus the heaven and the earth was finished.
So God created the whole universe. He said everything was finished. Read.
And all the hosts of them. And on the seventh day.
And on the what?
And on the seventh day.
Which is the day. Read.
God ended his work which he had made.
Read.
And he rested.
And God what?
And he rested.
If God rests, what happened to us? He rests. And he said, I want you to rest too. So he gives you that law. Exodus 20.
The book of Exodus, chapter 20 and verse 8. Read. Remember the Sabbath day.
So God said, you Israelite man, now you know you're Israel. Say, remember the Sabbath day. Read.
To keep it holy.
To keep it holy. How you keeping it holy? Assembling with each other. Learning to keep his laws. Going into the highway, the byway, and waking up your brothers. Okay, you remember Luke 14? Going to the highway and tell as much to come into for the marriage. This is the most high marriage here. That's Christ. Christ and we are what do you call it? Christ is the husband and we are the what? Church. We are the church. Yes. You understand? We, Christ married to the Lord of nation.